Model, 61-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 2900 Cdti 113 LWB 12 months MOT. Huge specification. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 151570. MOT, the 14th of February 2026. Engine, 1995 CCM9RA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 12 months MOT, air con, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.